Ripple Mobile. Send Ripple, no internet, no smartphone, no problem. CBDCs are internet native technologies, but people in lower middle income countries do not have access to CBDCs due to a lack of mobile internet connectivity and expensive mobile devices. How big is the problem? There are 1.4 billion unbanked adults worldwide, 3.2 billion people do not use mobile internet, and 94% of unconnected people live in low and middle income countries. GSMA Global's top 3 barriers for internet adoption are seen on the screen. Ripple Mobile tackles these barriers head on. Our solution is affordable as it's available on any mobile device, does not require expensive data plans, and is free to access. Our solution requires low digital skills due to our simple menu-based interface, and it has an easy and instant setup with no downloads needed. It is also safe and secure by our accounts being secured with a 4-digit PIN, and it also removes the risk of carrying cash. Most existing CBDC solutions are apps or websites that are accessed via smartphones, tablets, or desktops, but these solutions are inaccessible to billions of people worldwide. Ripple Mobile provides CBDC accessibility for over a billion people. The solution is a USSD application, and USSD is a GSM communication protocol that works on any phone and does not require internet access. Customers can send and receive Ripple from their phone to another phone using just phone numbers and PINs, and they can gain access to advanced CBDC features like multi-sign and escrow directly from their phones. Ripple Mobile comes with a ton of features out of the box. You can create a new Ripple wallet and link it to your phone number and start transacting with people on the Ripple network. You can create multi-sign accounts and sign ensuing transactions. You can initiate and approve POS transactions and more with Ripple Mobile. Create accounts. Users dial the USSD code to interact with Ripple Mobile. New users get presented with a menu to create a basic or merchant account. Merchant accounts allow for POS flow. We will select merchant accounts. The menu will request for a 4-digit PIN, which will be used for authentication. Once the account has been created successfully, the user will receive a welcome SMS. Send Ripple. Existing users can dial the USSD extension and be presented with a menu of options. To send Ripple, we will select 2. Next, we will input the phone number of the recipient's account. Then we specify the amount we wish to send, which will be 200 XRP. We then confirm and authorize the transactions with our 4-digit PIN. And once the transaction is successful, both the sender and the recipient will receive SMSs with the transaction information. Create multi-sign accounts. Existing accounts can have multiple multi-sign accounts linked to them. We will select Shared Wallet, then option 2 for Create Shared Account. We give the wallet a name or alias for a better user experience. And then we input the phone number of who we'd like to share the wallet with. You can add up to 8 signers, including your own number. For this demo, it will be just the smart and basic phone. Set the minimum number of signatures for any ensuing transaction on this account, and authorize the account creation with our PIN. An SMS is sent to all signers informing them of the new shared account. Initiate multi-sign payment. Once a multi-sign account has been created, any signer can initiate or request a payment. We will go to Shared Wallet in the menu, then 1 for Shared Accounts. Authorize access with our PIN. Select the multi-sign account we wish to make the payment from. Here it is test account. Then we'll select 3 for initiate payment. Then enter the recipient's phone number of who we wish to send the payment to. Then we'll enter the amount of XRP to send, in this case 3000 XRP. We will authorize the request with our PIN for security. And then, once successful, an SMS requesting for signatures will be sent to all signers associated to that multi-sign account. Sign multi-sign payment. Once a payment request has been made, signers must sign for the payment to be placed on the ledger. Any signer can navigate to the shared wallet which the request came from. For this scenario, we'll be using the test account. Then we will select 2 for approvals to see a list of open transactions requiring our signature. And we want to sign the first one in the list, so we'll input 1. Then we will use the security PIN to verify that we would like to sign the transaction. Once the required number of signers have signed the transaction, an SMS will be sent to all signers that the transaction has taken place. Make sure to visit the Ripple mobile website to learn more and try out our USSD simulator.